Just nilupad akong ulo. Okay. To chat. Tako. Yay. Alright, so na yung questions dili makita. Adjust. Ay, sakto naman. Adjust the question. Ay. Okay na. So I am creating a video, live stream video for let review. Now what I'm after here is the recording of this review, because it takes time for me to create pre-recorded video compared to recording, I mean to live stream. So mas madali siya pag live stream na lang. Tapos anyway, it will be posted in my channel. By the way, I have collected some resources of the let reviewer. So I've collected some resources from the let reviewer online. So these questions are not mine. So actually, itong first question is first problem is owned by reviewersph.com. So yan, and they allow people to download. So I guess they just we can use it. But please inform me from reviewers page if it's not allowed. So I'm assuming it's allowed to do this, since it's allowed to download online. Okay, but you can message through my channel if it's not possible to do this. So anyway, what we are after here is to share knowledge about how to solve these problems that you have online. Alright, so we have a question number, this is the first question. A bag contains 6 black, 7 white and 8 green balls. So as you can see, this is just a kind of basic problem probability, and you might think it's math major and it's supposed to be like calculus, higher maths like abstract algebra and so on. In my experience, most of the problems are like algebra, probability, and something like that. Not so much of those higher maths, but of course, it's harder questions compared to general education math. Although nasa meron ding math, algebra sa Gen Ed math, but mas madali yun kumpara sa major. So ganun, kaya yung mga questions is ganun din, mga basic lang na math, pero yung tanong is hindi ganun ka basic pagdating sa major. So let us solve the first question. A bag contains 6 black, may 6 black, 7 white, at saka 8 green balls. How many ways can we select groups of balls which each group consists of 4 black or 4 white balls? So as you can see, may sagot na siya. Itong PDF na to, it has already answers, as you can see, it is pointing in letter A. But we'll try to solve. We'll have our own answer. So because the important thing here is the solution of the problem. I mean of the questions. So what is asking is for the 4 black or 4 white balls. So it's using the word or, 4 black or 4 white. So if we use or, the operation to be used in probability is by the way, this is how many ways can we select groups of balls. So it's not probability. You only use probability if it's asking for the chance. How many? What is the chance? So let's try to solve this question and also the other question. So I'm not sure if I can solve everything because I might have forgotten the other topics. 6 black, 7 white, and 8 green. How many ways can you select groups of balls where each group consists of 4 blacks or 4 whites? So there are 6 black and there are 7 whites. And how many ways can we select groups of balls where each group consists of 4 blacks or 4 white balls? It must have 4 blacks, or it can be 4 white balls. Okay, so 6 combination 4. So let's actually have a calculator for calculating the combination. So let me try first using my calculator. 6 combination 4. And then 7 combination 4. Okay, so here's a solution for number 1. Now it's asking for 4 blocks. No, it can be 4 blocks. It says or, so that means it can be 4 blocks or it can be 4 white balls. So first is the chance that it's all black. So 4 combination of sorry. So out of 6 you just need 4. So it's combination. So if you can remember formula for combination, we have n factorial over n minus r factorial r factorial. But in that exam we can actually use the calculator to make it faster to compute. So you will see n cr there. The calculator, you just have to input the 6 and the 4 and then combination to make it faster to compute. So we will not do the manual computation anymore. But you have to make sure sa yung calculator nyo is yung allowed lang, no? Because there are calculators which are not allowed, especially those who can which can graph na mga calculators. So this is the combination, number of combinations for black. Out of 6, 4 lang yung need mo. Then since it's or, that means it can be white as well. So that's why we use plus. So out of 4, out of 7 you only need 4 as well. So 7 plus 4. So if you are going to calculate this 6 combination 4, you will get 15 at saka ito, if you calculate this, a 7 combination 4 is 35. So you add it, it will give 50. So that's why there are 50 ways to select groups of balls where it consists of 4 black and 4 white balls. So, ibig sabihin, there are 15 ways to select groups of 4 balls from 6 black na given. Ito, there are 35 ways to select 4 white balls galing sa 7 na given. So, combine mo yun because it says or. Okay. Iba rin yung and. Pero, yung and kasi kailangan sabay sila. So, ganun. Iba yung or saka sa and. So, usually sa pag-and kasi gumagamit tayo ng multiplication dyan. Pero, depende na rin sa problem. Pero, in most cases, we apply multiplication pag and, pag or, plus. So, next problem. So here I am trying to, I cannot promise I can solve everything, especially kung medyo matagal na yung luma na sa utak ko. Hindi ko naman memoryado lahat ng ng concept ng math, sobrang dami. So yung iba kailangan ko pag i-review ulit, yung ganun. But I will try my best to solve every problem here. Okay, so next problem. What is the area of the triangle? Wait, I'm trying to look for my calculator. See, I'm using my cell phone as calculator. Teka, Okay, so what is the area of the triangle with vertices 2, 3, 11, 1, 1, negative 2, negative 2? So its coordinates 2, 3, 1, 1, negative 2, negative 2, and we're going to calculate its area. Now we need to know first how the triangle looks like by plotting the points. Right. Wait. Kasi need ng ink pang marker. I forgot to add ink. So this video will be added to my list of videos. So sana maraming manood ng review ko. So what is the area of the triangle with vertices 2, 3, 1, 1, negative 2, negative 2? I will just adjust my face para hindi makakover ng whiteboard. Ganun. Yan. So graph natin, bakit ayaw pa rin? Parang manipis yung so 2, 3, positive 2, so dito siya sa kabila, positive 2 and then 3. So ito 1, 2, 3, so estimate na lang natin. So that's the first point, and then 1, 1, so ito 1 at saka 1, and then negative 2, negative 2, so dito sa kabila negative 2, negative 2, dito rin sa kabila negative 2. Medyo iba yung yung itsura niya, parang naging linya. Tama ba din? 1, 1, review natin 2, 3, tsaka negative 2, teka, negative 1 to negative 2, tsaka negative 2, so tama nga, ganito siya, okay, so palakihin natin yung drawing kasi parang masikip masyado yung triangle natin. So ulitin natin. So since hanggang negative 2 lang naman, so pwede naman natin palakihin yung scaling ganito. Eto sa taas hanggang 3 kasi siya, so kita pa naman sa video. 1, 2, so dito 2, 3 at saka 1, 1 dito, and negative 2, negative 2, so dito So, ito siya. Yan. So, inulit ko kasi kanina, medyo masikip masyado yung triangle. Okay, so, ito na. Ano ba natin solve to? 1/2 base. So, just to remind, yung area ng triangle, 1/2 base times height. Okay. So, ano ba yung ano ba to siya? Two, three. 1, 1. Negative 2, negative 2. Parang mahirap. Pwede ko makuha yung height. Actually, yung hinahanap ko is yung base. Saan ko kukuhanin yung madali kasi pag ganit dito sana. So, ito yung base. Yung problema ko dito, yung ano, okay, pwede to. So, kailangan mo talagang didiskartehan to eh. Okay. Kuha ko na. Kasi ito, negative 2, straight yan sa 1, 1. Tapos straight siya sa 2, 2. Straight yan dyan. So, gawa tayo ng imaginary line. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, ito, pero hindi pa rin siya perpendicular naman. Kasi pinaplano ko dito eh. Ito yung height. Pero hindi naman siya yung height. Yung height kailangan kasi ano eh, perpendicular sa base. So, pwede siya pag ganito. Ito kasi yung challenge eh. Paano mo hahanapan ng ano? Angel, ano? Hello, Angel. So, I'm actually making a reviewer for math majors, let. So, anyway, this will be uploaded, automatically uploaded in YouTube. So, pwede yung, you can use it for let review in the future. When, third year pa mo. So, in the future, when you're about to take the let, medyo, tinapol na ko record sa pre-recorded video, na lang, live stream. Okay, so I have some problems with this, because my problem here is to find a perpendicular sa base. So, paano ko hanapan ng perpendicular line itong mga points na to, so that I can create a triangle. I can have the height. So, I think hindi siya possible pag ganun. Okay. May diskarte yata to. Pwede akong gumawa ng tatlong triangle. eto, no? So erase ko muna to. So hindi ko alam if this is the easiest way to compute this area of triangle, pero susubukan natin because I think this looks simpler, no? Ito yung gagawin ko. So hahatiin ko siya ng ganito. So mukhang complicated tignan, pero at least may chance, no? Kasi pwede ko makuha yung mga area nito, eto, at saka etong buong triangle, no? So ganun yung plano dyan. So kasi mahirap pag gusto natin kunin kagad yung buong triangle. Pwede naman kukuha mo yung distance nito, tapos distance, no? Kukunin mo bawat distance niyan, tapos gamit ka lang ng Heron's formula. Kung ano, familiar kayo dyan sa Heron's formula. Pero para sa tingin ko mas matagal kapag ganun, kasi distance ka formula ka pa bawat isa, bawat side, tapos mag-Heron ka pa na medyo mahaba din yung formula ng Heron's formula. Pero pwede naman yun, no? Kung no choice na talaga, kasi mas makukuha mo talaga yung sagot. So eto din, no? By the way, kung di nyo alam yung Heron's formula, no? It's a formula to find the area of triangle na given lang yung sides. Sides lang, di mo na alam yung height, di mo kailangan yung height tsaka base. But of course, base is part of the sides ng triangle. Yun yung Heron's formula. Pero eto, iba yung gagawin natin. So kukunin natin to, no? Alam na natin yung height nito, I mean yung length. So this is 1, 2, 3 units. At saka ito 1 unit. So 3 times 1. So yung rectangle, yung area ng rectangle is this is 3 times 1. So 3 units squared. 3 square units. So ito yung mga klase ng tanong sa natabunan pala. 3 square units. So ito yung mga klase ng tanong sa SLET na basic lang yung topic, no? Basic lang to coordinates, tapos area ng triangle. Mag-a-apply ka ng Heron's formula. Yung ganun, no? Hindi na siya yung mga proving, no? Pero of course, hindi ka naman pwede mo-proving sa multiple choice, di ba? Pero mahirap siya, multiple steps siya. Kaya naging pang math major talaga siya. Hindi siya pang gen ed math. So, eto, 3 square units. So nakikita nyo, no? Hindi multi-step talaga. Kailangan ko pang hati-hatiin yan. Itong figure na yan para makuha ko yung area dito sa loob. Kasi yan yung hinahanap natin. So, eto naman, kukunin ko to. Area niyan. So, height niya is 2 units. Yung base niya is 1 unit. So, 1/2. So, area nung maliit na triangle. So, dito ko na lang lalagay. Area nito is 1/2 times base niya is 1. Tapos, yung height is 2. So, cancel to. Ito is 1 square units. Okay? Kasi, ba't natin kailangan kukunin to? Kasi, isa-subtract natin sa buong triangle. Kasi, ito lang yung after natin sa loob. Tapos, ito naman, ito. So, sayang na wala akong ibang kulay na marker eh. Mas maganda sana next time bibili ako ng red color at saka blue. Para mas magandang tingnan itong graph natin. So, ito, area nito ilang units ba to? 1, 2, 3. So, 3 yung height. Yung base, 1, 2, 3. 3 din. So, 1 half times 3 times 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So, ito, 9. 3 times 3, 9 over 2. So, 9 halves. Okay? So, 9 halves yung area niyan. Ngayon, kukunin natin yung area ng buong triangle. Kasi yung buong triangle, subtract natin itong ibang area na hindi natin need. So, ano ba yung area ng buong triangle? So, area. Ano ba tatawag natin dito? B. Ibig sabihin, buong triangle. Kaya, subscript na yan, B. No? So, 1 half times the base. So, base. So, sabihin natin ito yung height. Tapos ito yung base. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 units yung base. Tapos yung height, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. So, cancel natin to. So, reduce. So, 2 times 5 is 10. Okay, so, nakuha natin yung buong triangle na area. So, itong lahat ng to is 10 square units. So, this is 10 square units. Pero, yung what we're after is ay, hindi nakita na yung dito, no? So, square units. Yan. So, 10 square units itong buong triangle na to. So, babawas natin itong mga area na hindi kasali. Which is, na-solve natin yun kanina. So, area na hinahanap natin. So, anong lalagay na subscript natin? H. Kasi hinahanap. No, 10 minus ito, subtract natin, which is 1 square unit. Minus ito, area nito is 3 square units. Tapos, ito, 9 halves. So, hindi ko alam kung makukuha ba natin yung sagot. Kasi, naka-over 9 lahat ng square units eh. Pero, re-reviewin natin yan mamaya. 10 minus 1 minus 3, that's 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. So, 6 minus 9 halves. No? So, yung 6, no, in a way, pwede naman gumamit ng calculator sa left eh. So, walang problema yan. So, ito yung sagot niya. 6 minus 9 halves. Yung 9 halves is 4.5. Yung sagot, 1.5. Or 3 halves square units. So, yung sagot dapat, ay sorry, hindi pa makita. Wala kita. So, dapat, ito is 3 halves square units. So, ito yung sagot, 3 halves square units. Hello, te. Recording lang ko for let review. So, the answer should be 3 half square units. Pero, yung nasa choices is 3/9 at saka yung sagot is 3/9. I will try to review kung saan kung may mali ba sa solution ko. So, sa given, tama naman, 2, 3, 1, 1, at saka negative 2, negative 2. Tsaka, yung analysis na, tama naman yung analysis. Kukunin ko yung buong triangle, tapos isasubtract. tama ba yung mga square units? So yung height tama, 2 times 1. Tsaka yung rectangle na may unit na 3 sa height at saka sa width is 1 unit. So 3 times 1 lang siya, kaya 3 square units. Tapos itong medyo malaking triangle, yung height niya is 1, 2, 3. Yung length niya is 1, 2, 3 also. So tama. No, sa tingin ko, yung sa choices yung may mali doon. So sa tingin ko typographical error itong nasa question to na multiple na choices, no? Sa tingin ko dapat 5 halves, 4 halves, 3 halves, 2 halves yan, no? Kasi yung sagot din niya sa 3 nines hindi din naka lowest term. So 3 nines pwede pa ma-reduce into 1 term. So sa tingin ko dapat siguro nagkamali lang ng pagkalagay ng sagot. So, yung sagot dapat is 3 halves square units. So, gano'n, no? So, okay lang. Hindi naman sa atin yan yung tanong. Galing sa Reviewers PH. So, yung marami ako na-collecta ang materials for let review. Actually, mga 2022 yun yung mga reviewer. Hindi siya outdated na mga reviewer. Hindi ko rin alam kung saan galing nila na anong source nila, no? So, wala ko ideya. So anyway, nangihiram lang tayo, so huwag na tayong magreklamo. So mga questions, try lang natin sagutin lahat. So yun yung sagot. So number 2, 3 halves square units. So next, number 3. Number 3 na tayo. Number 3. Kita ba si number 3? Ayun, kita na. So, kita rin si number 4, pero mamaya na. Parang yung number 4, okay, similar lang yung number 4 sa 1, pero mamaya na yan. So, I think walang isosolve sa number 3. The property of real numbers which describes 5 plus 6 at teka, kung masyadong mabasa. Property of real numbers which describes 5 plus 6 minus 3 equals 3 plus 5 plus 6. So, ito yung pinagkaiba. Okay. I think typographical error to. So, common din ito sa sa let. Kailangan kayong careful sa pagsagot kasi walang E na sagot dyan sa let review. No? Let's say, kagaya nito, 5 plus 6 minus 3 equals 3 plus 5 plus 6. So, walang sagot dito kasi equal yan dalawa eh. I mean, hindi yan equal yung dalawa. Sorry. Ito minus 3, ito 3, positive 3. Same lang yung 5 at saka 6. So, hindi siya equal. So, it's a false statement. Pero, sasagot ka ng sa choices kasi sa let, may E dyan na parang pag hindi mo alam yung pag wala dyan sa choices, yun yung pipiliin mo. Ingat ka dyan kasi kailangan mong hanapin yung typo. No? Ito, obviously, yung typo dito is yung plus 3. Kailangan yan. Yung minus 3. Dapat dyan plus 3. So, minsan, nagkakamali sila sa pag-type ng given, pero may sagot. So, stick pa rin sila sa sagot. Kahit na typo. Kasi probably hindi rin nila napansin na may typo. So, sobrang dami nga naman ng tanong na kailangan nilang i-prepare. So, kaya ganun. Kaya nga ito, assume na lang natin na plus 3 yan. So 5 plus 6 plus 3, tsaka 3 plus 5 plus 6. So ang idea nito is pinagpalit lang yung etong group na to at saka yung plus 3. So pag pinagpalit-palit lang, so commutative yan. Okay. So again, emphasize ko lang, careful, kailangan din yung prepare yung self nyo sa mga possible typos. Kasi kung walang sagot, probably may typo yan. So hanapin nyo talaga yan para makuha nyo yung sagot. So ano ibig sabihin ng typo? Yung kakamali sila sa pag-encode. So huwag kayong mag-i-kagad. Hanapin nyo kung saan pwedeng nagkamali sila. Kasi hindi rin pwedeng ng walang enough time na para magreklamo rin kasi hindi rin kasi yan ng mga staff, kasi lang sila nagdi-distribute lang sila ng mga materials, so wala silang alam sa mga questions, kaya hindi mo rin pwedeng i-question yan sa kanila. So for number 4, a bag contains 6 black, 7 white, 8 green. How many ways can we select group balls where each group consists of 4 black and 4 white? Okay, so 4 black at saka dapat 4 black at 4 white. Check ko muna yung sagot kung ano ba? 6, 4 at saka 7, 4. Sige. 7, 4. Okay. Okay, tama. Tama yung sagot. So, let me show you the solution of this. Question number 4. So, eto, if you observe in question 1, medyo magkakapareho lang yung question 1 at saka 4. Pero may isang word na iba. So, kaya nga, careful kayo dito sa mga problems na ganito, yung arrangement. Dito, a bag contains 6 black, 7 white, 8 balls. Yun yung given, which is the same as the number 4. Pero yung tanong is 4 blacks or 4 whites. Ibig sabihin, pwede lahat black, pwede rin lahat white. Dito, sa number 4, same given. Yung pagkakaiba is yung or pinalitan ng and. Kapag and, sa sinabi ko kanina, multiply yan. Kasi ibig sabihin, it must be containing both black and white. Hindi siya or. So, ibig sabihin, hindi siya pwedeng puro black lang or puro white lang. Hindi pwede. Kailangan both. So, kaya multiply mo. Multiplication yan kapag So, dalawang operation to yung gagawin mo. Dalawang concept. Yung combination. So, isa rin yan, kailangan alam mo yung combination at saka permutation. Pag sinabing combination, yung arrangement, hindi na magmamatter. Basta black siya, hindi na kailangan i-determine kung sino yung unang black na kukunin mo. Basta 4 na black. Yun yung combination. Pag permutation kasi, magmamatter yung arrangement. Kailangan sinong unang kukunin mo, sinong unang black. Diba, wala namang sinabi na anong black yan. Black number 1, black number 2, wala naman. Kaya combination yung application ng problem na to. So, gaya kanina, 6 combination 4. Okay? Kasi pipili ka ng 4 sa 6 na black na given. So, tsaka times. times, or you can use that symbol for times. At saka 7 combination 4 kasi pipili ka ng 4 sa 7 white balls. So yung green ball, no, hindi yan kasali kasi hindi yan kasali sa question. So yung 6 combination 4, ano nga ulit yan? 6 combination 4. So gumagamit na ako ng calculator para mas mabilis, no? Kasi anyway, um, hindi naman kayo magmamanual sa ano, sa let exam. Hindi rin ako sure kung ganito rin yung posible rin yung ganito yung mga tanong sa civil service exam. So pwede rin. So 15 times 35. So kukuha mo yung 525. So there are 525 ways na kakakuha ka ng 4 na black at saka 4 na white. So yung pagkakaiba ng 1 at 4, so yung 1, 4 lang yung kukunin na bola. Pwede 4 lahat na black or 4 lahat na white or combination yan ng white saka black. Ganun. Pero sa number 4, 8 lahat yung kukunin. May 4 na black at saka may 4 na white. 8 lahat sila. Kaya mas maraming number of ways. Yeah, so yun yung sagot, 525. So move na tayo sa number 5. I'm not sure ilang questions ito. Okay, so what is the value of 3.5 kilograms in grams? So conversion lang naman to, no? Ay, teka. Ba't ko na-close yan? Sorry, na-close ko yung ano. Yung PDF. Hindi ko alam kung kita na ulit. So, number 5 na tayo. Anong number na ba yan? Number 5 na. What is the value of 3.5 kilograms in grams? So, ano lang ito na, basic lang siya na conversion. Pero kailangan alam mo rin yung conversion eh. Kasi needed yan for computation. So, alam natin na 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. So, pwede kang mag-start na lang kung anong alam mo na conversion. So, 1,000 grams is 1 kilogram. So, ito, 3.5 kilograms, convert natin. So, i-multiply natin ng base sa conversion. Yung hahanapin natin is yung grams. So, itong kilogram, lagay natin sa baba. Itong grams sa taas. Kasi yung purpose dyan, para makancel itong symbol na kilograms. So, ayan, mapapalitan na ng grams na symbol. So, multiply mo lang to. So, 3.5. So, ibig sabihin, mag-move tayo ng 3 times, no? So, yung 3.5, i-multiply ng 1,000. So, magiging 3,500. Because nag-move tayo ng 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Kaya, 3,500 grams. Which is the same naman sa letter C, no? Sagot ng PDF. So, ito, kailangan kong i-adjust kasi yung choices nasa baba. Hindi, sulat ko na lang yung given. Mahina ang audio. Mahina ang audio. Number 6. Simplify. So, ito, simplify natin. 2 times 9 minus 8 times negative 3 divided by 6. Ito. Pihain lang natin yung itsura niyang given equation. Tapos, ito yung choices. So based sa choices, yung sagot is 2. So try nating solve to. Okay, so parang yung problem is parang hindi siya napaka basic, no? Pero may mga ganun sa major. May mga simple na problem lang. So solve natin to, follow MDAS, no? So unahin natin yung multiply kasi siya yung nasa loob yung division nasa labas. So unahin natin yung times dito, saka times dito. So 2 times 9, 18, saka 8 times negative 3 is negative 24. Over 6 plus 15. And then 18 minus negative 24. So rule ng subtracting integers, no? Magiging plus to. Copy, change, and change sign. Okay, so 18 plus 24 yan. So 18 plus 24 is 42. Divided by 6, 15. So 42 divided by 6 is 7. Ay, okay. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. So, actually, hindi ko alam kung bakit ganun yung choices. Wala sa choices yung sagot. Pero, review natin baka may mali sa given yung given na nilagay ko. 2 times 9 minus 8 times negative 3 over 6 plus 15. Okay, so tama naman. 2 times 9 is 18 minus negative 24. Oo nga. Kasi negative 24 kasi 8 times negative 3. Negative 24. Tapos subtract, no, nagiging plus yan, 42. Divide 6, 7. Tapos 7 plus 15. Kasi hindi pwedeng add muna 6 plus 15. Kasi follow kasi yung MDAS. So, kaya 7 plus 15, yung sagot, 22. So, paano pag ganun? Paano pag ganito? Yung ganito yung options, no? 4, 1, 2, 3. Tapos yung sagot mo, 22. So, una, no, hanapin mo pa saan posible nagkamali. Minsan dito naubos yung oras ko. Dati, nung nagtitake ako ng exam, no, yung sagot wala doon sa choices. dito naubos yung oras ko kasi um, chine-change ko yung mga yung given, yung signs, yung mga ganun, kung saan kaya nagkamali. Pero pag ganito na pag sinubukan mo na, hindi pa rin makuha yung sagot, wala pa rin sa choices. So, gagawin mo, hanapin mo lang kung saan yung pinaka-close na sagot. Ito, 22. Tapos sa options, may 2. So, ganun lang. Na huwag kang mag-i. Kasi posibleng magkamali ka rin pag nag-i ka. Kung susubukan naman natin, gawing negative to, let's say negative yung sagot, negative 7, ano pa rin yung sagot? Malaki pa rin. Yung sagot is 8. So, still, wala pa rin sa choices. Pag ginawa mo naman tong plus, no? So, yung magiging negative 6 to dito. Kasi 18 plus negative 24, negative 6. I-divide negative 6 by 6, so negative 1. So, malaki pa rin, 14. Wala pa rin sa choices. So, ganun. So, kapag ganito, ganun, na wala yung sagot sa choices, kahit anong ways na try na check mo yung mga typos, possible typos, wala pa rin. So, hanapan mo lang na yung closest sa sagot. So, dahil 2 yan, so posible namang na typo lang, no, na hindi nalagay yung mga 2 digits. So, possibly 2 digits to, hindi nalagay. Posible. So, di natin alam. Kaya, ganun, yun yung mga techniques kasi hindi ka talaga pwedeng magrereklamo ka na lang kasi wala yung sagot, or mag-i ka na lang. So, part yan sa challenge ng let. Which of the following is true about Vinogradov's theorem? So, actually, di ako familiar, to be honest, sa Vinogradov's theorem, pero subukan natin hanapin kung ano to. So, all sufficiently okay, so number theory to. No, hindi. Siguro nakalimutan ko lang. Pero for sure na daanan ko tong Vinogradov's theorem. Daming theorem kasi sa math, hindi ko ma-memorize lahat. All sufficiently large odd integers. So, eto na. So, it's either A or C. Although yung sagot na sa A, pero basahan pa rin natin yung theorem. So, all sufficiently large odd integers can be expressed as the sum of 3 prime numbers. All sufficiently large odd integers can be expressed as the sum of 3 prime numbers. So, yun yung letter A. No? So, ibig sabihin, yung malalaking integers, it can always be written as sum of 3 prime numbers. No? Theorem yan, so ibig sabihin, na-prove na yan. So, ayun, number 7. So, hindi na siya kailangan i-solve. So, number 8, if the statement teka, balik ko lang yung YouTube live ko sa cellphone ko to check if my YouTube is working, kasi I'm also playing my YouTube in my phone para makita ko kung may problema or wala. If the statement all of K's brother can swim is true, which of the following must also be true? All of K's brother can swim. Okay. If Fred cannot swim, then he is not Kay's brother. Okay. So, tama siya, no? So, letter A siya yung sagot. Pero, analyze muna natin yung ibang question, yung ibang given. If Fred cannot swim, then Fred is Kay's sister. So, wala namang given about Kay's sister eh. Kaya, hindi mo rin siya ma-assume na ganun. If Kay's brother cannot swim, then he has no brother. Hindi rin. Posibleng may brother pero hindi si Kay. Hindi sila magkapatid. Sinabi kasi, hindi, mali. If Kay's brother cannot swim, then he has no brother. Hindi, sinabi kasi doon, all of Kay's brothers. So, ibig sabihin, matik na yan, may brother siya. Kasi hindi pwedeng sasabihin ng all of Kay's brothers tapos wala siyang brother. Diba? Weird naman. If Fred cannot swim, then he is not Kay's brother. Parang pareha lang yung A at saka D. If Fred cannot swim, then he is not Kay's brother. Ito yun. So far, hindi ko pa naman na-experience to sa LET na may options na dalawa pa rin yung sagot. Kasi hindi ka pwedeng encircle ng dalawang sagot kasi dalawa yung parehong sagot. So, chances lang talaga yan kasi sigurado ako na-typo sila dito. Hindi mo lang alam kung saan yung tunay na sagot. Saan yung na-copy-paste nila na mali. Yun yung problema. No? And we cannot protest on that during the exam. Hindi pwede. Pero, yun yung problema. So, we cannot deal with that. So, we'll just take chance, no? Parang 50-50. Pero so far, nung nag-take ako ng LET, wala naman ganun na may mga typo pero hindi ganito na yung dalawang options exactly the same. So, actually, yung sagot dito is pwedeng A tsaka D kasi magkakapareho lang exactly the same. So, ganun. But, hindi ka pwedeng magpili ng dalawa. Pwedeng ma-invalid yung paper mo sa LET. So, just choose one. So, 50-50 talaga yung chance kahit alam mo yung sagot. Kasi, di ka sure kung saan yun yung tunay na sagot. Asan yung typo doon. Kasi exactly the same. Tapos, sa number 9, ano ba to? 7 is 5% of what number? Okay, so, medyo, ano yung tanong? Medyo tricky. 7 is 5% of what number? Pero, sa math major, basic lang to sa math major eh. Pag gen ed math to, medyo mahirap sa other course. Pero still, basic lang naman pa rin to. 5% of what number? So, 7, no? Ganito yung pagka-translate niyan. Is, pag sinabing is, equals. Teka. Hindi nakikita yung, okay. Delay pala yung nasa, yung nakikita ko sa live video. Nagugulat ako lang, ba't walang nakasulat? So, 7, tapos is, so is equals, tapos 5%. 5% of, so pag sinabing of, times of a number. So, yung number, nahanap natin. So, lagay na lang natin yung n kasi number. Representing number. So, eto. Algebra, no? So, para yung n na lang yung matira dito, divide natin 5% both sides. So, wala na yan. N na lang. So, divide natin. 7 divided by 0.05. Kasi, di naman pwede 5 divided by 5%. So, 0.05. So, convert natin into decimal. 7 divided by 0.05 is 140. So, ibig sabihin, 5% ng 140 yung 7. Which is correct in letter C. Number 9. Tapos, number 10. Okay, so yung at what time, question 10, at what time 3 o'clock will the angle between the hands of the clock be bisected by the second hand? At what time after 3 o'clock, okay, after 3 o'clock, will the angle between the hands of the clock be bisected by the second hand? Okay. So, parang nagigets ko yung problem pero hindi siya madaling i-solve. Kasi clock problem. Sige, subukan natin. So, by the way, ilang tanong ba ito lahat? Siguro sasagutin lang natin hanggang 20. Tapos next time naman yung next. No? So, hanggang 20 lang muna tayo dito. Then, next live stream naman yung continuation. Marami tayong letter viewer. Pwede natin yung sagutin lahat. Sana ba to? Ba't 11? So, ito, medyo mahirap yan i-solve ito. Kasi kailangan talaga analysis problem na to. So, gawa tayo ng clock. At saka, yung problem is, paglagpas daw 3 o'clock, kailan daw mahahati yung dalawang hands? No, ito 12, 1, 2, 3. Ito 6, exactly below 12. Tsaka 5, tsaka 4. No, lagay na lang natin yung iba. 9, 8, 7. Although, hindi na sila kasali. So, ito, yung center. So, ito yung maliit na hand, our hand, no? Medyo baba siya ng konti sa 3 kasi assume natin na gagalaw ng konti yung minute hand, no? Yung mas mahaba. Yung tanong niya, anong oras daw etong second hand nagiging exactly in between ng dalawang hands? Paano nga ba? Medyo mahirap, no? Mahirap to. So, yung idea dito is kailangan itong angles na to equal yan. Kailangan parehas yan. So, ano ba to? Equal angle. Ito, 90 degrees. So, total na ito is 9. Ay, hindi pala 90. Kasi, nagmo-move na to Gagalaw na to ng konti. So, yung 90 dito, so, assume na lang natin na medyo ganun siya. No? Para hindi masyadong mahirap i-draw. So, lakihin na natin yung lakihin na natin yan. Tapos, ito yung ka-90 niya. Ka-90 ng broken line na to. So, ito yung susubukan natin i-solve. So, dalawang angle na to, sabihin natin A at saka B. No? Anong angle? Ito, bababa ng konti. Ito sa taas. No? In between ng second hand at saka 2 and 3. Saka ito yung second hand at saka ito yung minute hand. Ito yung angle na X. No, hindi na natin sure kung lalagpas mo siya dito. No, ina-assume ko lang na around dyan. Pag di mag-work, subukan natin sa baba. No? Okay. So, yung 90 degrees, subukan natin i-solve. Yung ito, 90 degrees. Teka. Walang label to eh. Lagyan natin ng C. Angle C yan. So, C plus X plus A. Tapos si X, A plus B. A plus B yan si X. Ito. Kasi ito, magkaparehas lang to. X din to eh. Kasi, bakit magkaparehas? Kasi bisected yung sinabi. Bisected by the second hand. So, ibig sabihin yan, exactly in the middle. So, substitute natin dito, 90 degrees is equal to C plus A plus B plus A. Hindi nakita. Let's make it smaller. 90 degrees equals C plus A plus B plus A. So, this will be combine C plus 2A plus B. Okay, so pag gumalaw ito, si C, proportional din siya sa paggalaw nito. Medyo mahirap siya kasi sobrang daming variables nito. Tsaka A, B, at saka X. X equals A plus B. Mukhang hindi ko pa ito masasolve ngayon. Skip na lang muna natin itong 10. Medyo kasi matagal ko na rin hindi nakakapag-solve ng mga clock problems. Medyo nakakasolve naman ako dati, matagal na, pero hindi gaya nito na walang time given. Yung sinasagot ko usually may given na time, tapos solve natin yung angle. Mas madali yun. Pero ito mas mahirap talaga, challenging to. Sa ngayon, skip na lang muna natin para hindi sayang yung time. Babalikan natin yan sa susunod na live. No? Solve ko yan outside the live stream, pero pag sa next na live stream natin, papakita ko kung paano i-solve yan. So, skip mo lang muna natin yan kasi magka pumutok yung utak natin dyan. So, yung number 11 naman, so actually no, yung AB at saka CD parang nagkaiba ng ng page. 72 is 3/4 of what number? So, ito yung options sa AB is A and B is 76 and 84. Sa C and D is 86 and 96. So, yung sa 11, 72 is, so, it's equals. Tapos, 3/4 of, times yan. Of what number? So, number. So, represents n. So, divide both by 3/4 para mawala yung 3/4 and na lang yung matira. So, parang to, mixture ng fraction at saka algebra. No, magiging complex fraction siya. 72 divided by 3/4. Parang ganun din naman 72 divided by 3/4. Pareho lang din yan sa 72 times 4/3. Ba? So, you can cancel dito. 72 divided by 3, 24. So, 24 times 4, 96. So, 3/4 ng 96, pag ni-multiply mo yan, nagiging 72. So, yung sagot is 96. So, yun yung ang sagot, which is here na in letter D. Ito, 96. Then, number 12. How many hectares are there in a field measuring 980 meters wide and 100 meters long? So, number 12. 1 hectare is 10,000 square meters. Yun yung alam ko. Tama ba? 1 hectare is 10,000 square meters. So, yun yung pag-conversion kasi dapat ilagay mo yung mga yung facts about conversion in relation to the given. So, yung given problem is involving hectares tsaka meters. So, eto, 10,000 square meters is 1 hectares. So siguraduhin ko muna yung conversion. Hectares to square meters. Oh, tama nga. 1 hectare is 10,000 square meters. Kasi, crucial kasi yan. Pag magkamali ka sa, sa conversion. So, wala na. Mali na yung sagot. Kahit tama yung solution. So, next na gagawin mo, kunin mo yung area ng field. So, yung area ng field, rectangular to kasi length and width lang. So, 980. So, same lang naman ng unit. So, no problem with converting. Hindi na yan i-convert. Times mo lang 980 times 1,300. So, yung sagot is 1,274,000 square meters. So, it's 1 million. And then, convert natin. So, paano ba i-convert natin to? 1,274,000 square meters. So, times, So, gagawing hectares. So, yung square meter, lagay natin sa baba para makancel yung unit. Kasi gusto natin i-remove yung m squared. So, gagamitin natin to dito. So, cancel yung square meters. So, yung matitira, yung hectares. Tapos, divide natin to. No? So, tanggalin na lang natin itong tatlong 0 para mas madali. Ito na lang natitira, 1274 divided by 10. Hindi, move ka lang ng isang point. So, magiging 127.4 square meters. Square meters, hindi na, hectares. Sobrang laki, no? 100 square meter, 100 hectares. 127 hectares. So, let's have number 13. So, yung problem dito is divisibility rule. Ano ba yung divisibility rule of 8? No? Anyway, pwede mo namang i-try divide to ng calculator lahat. Kung divisible by 8 pa siya. No? Pero just to review, a number is divisible by 8 if its last 3 digits are divisible by 8. No? Pwede rin, mas madali rin siya. Pero anyway, hindi naman ganun kahirap yung 13 kung i-divide mo lang isa-isa. No? 1460 divided by 8, 53,250 divided by 8. Pwede naman. Pwede rin yung last 3 digits para mas mabilis. No? 460 divided by 8, yung result 115 over 2. 250 divided by 8, hindi rin, not divisible. 400 divided by 8, 50. No, obviously because 40 is divisible by 8, may extra 0 lang. Yung letter D, yung 148 divided by 8 is 37 over 2. So hindi siya, so isa lang yung divisible by 8 na last 3 digit, yung letter C lang. So, mas madali siya pag last 3 digits lang, kung it will save time. Lalo na, so, if in the actual let, nagbibigay ng napakalaking number. So, mas kakain siya ng oras. So, yung sagot, letter C. Sa 14, 2 and 3/4 of 100 is equal to, so, balik ko muna itong live ko sa cell phone. Yan. So, number 14, 2 and 3/4 of 100 is equal to. So, ito. Ano lang, pag mga ganitong problem, convert mo lang word for word. 2 3/4, so 2 3/4. Pag sinabing of, times. Times. Pag is, equals yan. So, of 100. So, times 100 is equal to, so literal yan na equal. So, sinabing ng is equal. Pwede ring is, so equals na yan. So, pwede nang lagay mo lang lahat to sa calculator. Kukuha mo yung sagot kaagad. Pero, kung titingnan mo yung choices, hindi siya final answer. Yun, lang, may times 100 plus 100. Yung ganun. So, pag tinype mo sa calculator, yung makukuha mo sagot is yung exact, which is not in the choices. So, of course, yung times 100, it's times, no? So, hindi na siya pwede yung options B at saka C. Kasi plus siya. It's either A or D. So, ito, gagawin mo lang is convert into improper fraction. No? Times at saka plus. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. So, magiging 11 fourths to. Times 100. So, yun yung sagot. 11 fourths times 100, which is letter D. So, basic lang yung number 14. Eto, 15. What is the average of ABC? So, basic lang siya, no? Pag sinabing average, add mo siya divided by 3. Pero, hindi to numbers. Dahil letters to. So, leave mo lang as A plus B plus C divided by 3 lahat. Ano? So, eto, hindi siya. ABC siya. ABC. Eto naman, times sa 3. So, hindi siya pwede. Kailangan add muna, tapos divide by 3. Pwede ring A divided by 3 plus B divided by 3 plus C divided by 3. Pwede rin ganon kung may given na option na ganon. So, kasi parehas lang yung sagot. A plus B plus C all over 3. So, yun yung 15. So, hindi na kailangan isolve yan. So, 5 na lang. So, sa sinabi ko, no? 20 lang tayo. Next time na yung iba. Julius has... Deka, ba't may question mark sa has? Julius has 15,000 in a bank. After a year, he expects it to earn 750. What is the rate of interest? Okay. So, may 15,000 siya. So, follow natin ang rule ng math of investment, no? I equals PRT. Yung interest equals principal times rate times time. So, yung interest na expected is 750. Yung principal is 15,000. Yung rate, hindi given. So, R lang. Yung time, after a year, so 1 year lang. So, times 1. So, parang 15,000 over R lang yan. I mean, times R. So, divide by 15,000. Tama ba? 15,000. So, wala na to. R na lang. Ito, cancel sang 0 para delete yung number. 75 divided by 1,500. So, yung sagot is 0.05. Or in percent, that's 5%. So, yun yung sagot. Letter C. 5%. Then, 17. What is... So, erase muna natin to. What is the angle between the hour and minute hands at 7:49? Ito, madali to. Kapag given yung time, mas madali siya. Hindi siya ganun kadali solve. No? Hindi siya ganun ka-basic. I mean. Pero, mas madali siya compared nung number... Anong number ba yan? Number 10? Na, walang given time. Yung time yung hanapin mo, parang baliktad siya. Tapos, given pa na may na-bisected siya. So, nag-i-involve ng pangatlong kamay, yung seconds, na mas mabilis umikot. So, mas mahirap talaga yun. Kaya, nag-skip muna tayo. Pero, I will try my best. No? Hindi ko naman mapapromise na masasolve ko yan. Pero, I'll try my best to solve. Pag na-solve ko, sasali ko na yun sa discussion ko sa susunod na live stream. Pero eto, number 17. Medyo, matagal na akong hindi nakakasolve ng mga clock problems. Pero, sa tingin ko mas madali kapag, pag ganito. Given yung given yung time. So, yung time is 7:49. So, lagay muna natin yung time, 6:09. Um, 7. So, 7:49. So, malapit na siya maging 8. So, ito yung hour hand. So, malapit na maging 8 kasi 49 na yung time eh. Dito yung minute hand. Malapit sa 10 kasi malapit sa 50. Yung hinahanap is in between them. Ito. So, ano to? Okay, so solve natin. Okay, so ito, 7:49. So, analyze muna natin to. 49 out of 60. So, 49 out of 60. Okay, so hindi na marireduce yun. Teka, I cannot see the whiteboard kung naka-cover ba. So, yun yung proportion neto papuntang dito. No? Na-cover niya 49 minutes out of 60. Which is yun yung kukunin natin na angle mula dito papunta dito. So, times 360. No? Times natin yan with 360 because saan galing yung 360? Dahil one whole turn is 360. So, 294. So, ibig sabihin ito, yung angle dito is 294. Galing dito papunta dito. But we are not so much concerned to that. We're concerned also with this. No? So, 360 minus 294 is 66. So, ito 66, ito is 294. So, we'll see kung anong magagamit pa natin dyan. Dito naman, sa 8. So, ibig sabihin dito, no? By the way, every angle dito is 360 divided by 12. 30 degrees yan. Ito. In between ng 8 at saka 7. 30 degrees yan. So, na-consume na yung 49 over 60 yung proportion. No? Proportional kasi ito eh. Pag move ng minute, gagalaw din itong hour. Pag nag-12 na yung minute, exact sa 8 naman yung hour. So, ito yung proportion na move mula dito 7 papuntang malapit sa 8, which is 49 over 60 yung galaw ng hour hand. So, times 30 degrees. So, 49 over 60 times 30 degrees. Ano siya? 24.5. So, 24.5 yung galaw niya mula dito papuntaan dito. So, ibig sabihin, wait. Okay, so 24.5 Ibig sabihin, itong maliit na angle na to is 30 minus 24.5. So, itong maliit na angle na to dito. So, erase ko muna to. No, para hindi masyadong maraming nakasulat. So, itong maliit na angle na to, broken line lang to, is 5.5. Kasi, ito naman is 24.5. Kasi 30 degrees to in total eh. 5.5 tsaka 24.5. Ngayon, so may 5.5 na tayo. Ito na lang yung kulang. So, yun yung hanapin natin. Okay, so since alam natin na itong buong circle na to is 360, no? So, pwede natin i-solve yan. 360 minus teka. So, 66 degrees. So, ito from 12 hanggang 8, no? So, from 12 hanggang 8, this is 30, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, 8 times 30, that's 240. So, 240 to. Tapos, etong maliit na, na hinahanap din natin, we'll name it X. Plus, itong 5.5, combine natin yan mamaya. So, 360 is equal to 240 plus X plus 66. Okay, so because yung after natin dito is solve yung X. Ito. Pag na-solve na natin yan, i-add natin yung 5.5. So 240 plus 66, this is 306 plus X. So 306, 60 minus 306. So 360 minus 306 is 54 degrees. So itong may X na to, 54 yan. Based on our computation, 54 yan. So, ngayon, kukunin na natin yung buong angle in between the minute and the shorthand. I mean the hour hand. So, may 5.5 tsaka itong 54 degrees. So, 5.5 plus 54 degrees. So, which is 59.5. So, yun yung sagot sa 17. Which is, ayan, number 17, 59.5. So, ayan. So, actually, daming, clock problem, no? Yung number 19, what do you call an equality of two ratios? Proportion. Basic, lang to, concept. Tingnan natin yung 18 kung malali lang. A man left the office at past 3 o'clock. After 20 minutes on his return, he notices that the minute hand is ahead of the hour and exactly by as much as T was behind when he left. Estimate the time he lived. So, medyo mahaba yung calculation ng 18. So, we'll just skip that one first. Para sali na lang natin yan sa, pag mga, kasi, mga clock problems, medyo mahaba yung analysis. So, kailangan talaga i-practice yan. Medyo wala na rin kasi akong practice sa, clock problem. Kasi hindi na masyadong lumalabas yan sa sa mga questions pag nasa higher math ka na. In how many ways can a hostess select 6 luncheon guests from 10 women if she's to avoid having particular 2 of the women together at the luncheon? So, pipili ng 6 luncheon guests from 10 women if she is to avoid a particular 2 of the women together. Kailangan i-avoid, she is to avoid having particular 2 of the women together at the luncheon. So, meaning, may dalawang hindi pwedeng kasali. Hindi sila pwedeng magsama at the luncheon. Okay. Tricky to kasi may dalawang hindi pwedeng magsama. Okay. So, gagawin natin, dali lang pala, na-analyze ko na. Medyo, nag-loading lang ako saglit kasi medyo matagal ko na rin hindi nasa-solve yung mga ganitong kasing problem, maraming tricky problems. Pero yung gagawin mo, solve mo muna ng walang restriction. So, pipili yung hostess ng 6 na guest. Pipili siya ng 6 sa 10 women. That is 6 combination. Mali ka. 10 combination, 6. Sa 10 babae, pipili siya ng 6. That is 10 combination 6. Ilan lahat? Compute natin using calculator. 210. So there are 210 ways without restriction. Hindi nakita. Basta without restriction yan. So, tapos, ilang ways, isa-subtract natin yung number of ways na magkasama yung dalawang babae. Magkasama sila sa pipiliin. Bakit sa-subtract natin? Kasi hindi yun kasali. Bakit di kasali? Kasi nasa given na hindi pwedeng magsama yung dalawa. 2 particular women together. Hindi sila pwede. Avoiding. Sinabi avoiding . So, from no restriction, subtract natin yung together sila. So, paano yun? Yung dalawang babae, considered as 1 siya kasi together. Kaya, sa 10, 9 na lang yung pipiliin kasi together yun. 9 combination of 5. Kasi 5 na lang pipiliin nila kasi yung isa yung isa sa doon is yung dalawa na counted as 2. Counted as 2 nga sila kasi dalawa nga sila pero together sila . So, sa 9, pipili sila ng 5. Pero, itong 5 to, 6 na tao to. Kasi yung isa doon is yun yung together. May isa kasi kaya naging 9 to kasi pinagsama natin yung isa. I mean yung dalawa pinagsama natin. So kung counted as 1 siya. So kaya nga naging 5 na lang yung pipiliin natin. Tama ba? 6. Pipili ka ng teka. Pipili ako ng 6. Kasi kung 5 lang, paano kung di niya mapili yung may kapares? Hindi 5 lang. Ano ba to? Ito. Hindi mo nasasali natin yung ano. Tama ba? Di ko isasali yung okay, tama na nga yan. 9 combination 5. Kasi ito yung explain ko ulit, no? Bakit naging 9? Kasi yung dalawa considered as 1 kasi together sila. Tapos itong bakit 5 instead na 6? Kasi yung isa dito is yun yung dalawa na pinag-isa natin. Counted as 2 people pa rin yun. Kaya 6 pa rin to na naging 5 lang kasi parang naging together yung dalawa. Okay? So, 9 combination 5, 126. So, there are 126 ways na magkasama yung dalawa. At i-avoid natin yun. Para ma-avoid natin, subtract natin sa total na walang restriction. So, 210 minus 126. So, 84 yung sagot ko. Pero, di ko alam kung bakit magkaiba. Wait analyze ko lang. Kasi sagot ko is 84. 10 combination 6. Tama naman yung total, no? Kasi 10 nga sila. 6 lang yung kukunin. Walang question sa total eh. Yung may problema yata dito sa ano, pag magkasama na yung, kasi if we are going to draw them, no, may dalawa kasing ano eh, hindi, ano na lang, ano ba mas madali, circles, W na lang, W. 10 sila. Tapos may dalawang magkasama. Together sila. So ito yung sinasabi kong counted as 1. Which is yun yung gusto kong malaman. Ilang ways na mapipili ko itong dalawa. Makakapili ako na magkasama silang dalawa parate. So ika-counted as 1 siya. So magiging 9 siya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, pipili lang ako ng, so ito, given na to, nakukunin ko 1. Okay. So, eto na lang. Matitira kasi given na to eh. Nakasama siya. 1 times tapos eto na lang. So, yung 4 galing dito na magkakapalit-palit lang sila. 4 combination ano, hindi 4, 8. 8 combination 4. 8 combination 4. 70. So, 210 minus 70. Yun nga. So, nagkamali ako. 8 combination 4 ito. Minus, so, ito, 70. Ito, 210 minus 70 is 140. So, ulitin ko lang yung analysis dito, no, bakit naging ganito. No, galing sa taas, 10 combination 6. Bakit ganon? Gusto kong kunin yung total number of ways na walang restriction. So, sa 10 babae, pipili daw siya ng 6. Kaya ito, 6. There are 210 ways to select 6 out of 10 women. Ngayon, isa-subtract ko yung number of ways na magkasama tong dalawang babaeng to kasi hindi daw pwede magsama according to the problem. So, ilang ways ba na magsasama ito sa 6 na pipiliin? So, ginawa ko, stick ko yung isa, no? Sure na kasama sila, 1, times the remaining 4. Ilang ways ba makakapili ako ng 4 sa 8 ito na natitira? Kasi yung dalawa, fix na nakasama sila talaga. So, kaya 8 combination 4. So, 1 times, kasi yung 1, isa lang siya. Kahit ipagpalit-palit mo yung dalawang W, same lang yan. Kasi combination tayo, hindi tayo permutation. 8 times 8 combination 4. So, 8 combination 4 is 70. So, ito yung number of ways na combination ng 6 nakasama yung dalawa na hindi pwedeng pagsama. So, 70. Kaya, subtract natin. 210 minus 70 is 140. Kaya, 140 yung sagot, letter A. So, ayun. So, yung remaining, yung continuation, no, ilang tanong ba to? So, yung continuation, I think, next, na lang. Hanggang 30 lang yata. Hindi, may continuation pa. 50 yata, 50 questions. So, yung next, questions is next time na lang. Next time, next live stream na. Alright, so, hanggang dun lang muna yung live stream natin. So, good night, everyone.